Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Eric Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today we're upscaling in the real estate market. That's right, Dominican Republic, Punta Cana Village, Villa, 436 square meters. What does that mean in square feet? Around 404,693 square feet of awesomeness. If you want to have a villa that's under $200 per square foot, under $2,000 per square meter, well, this is the one for you because this is SSN Nation approved by design. And welcome. Stop struggling now, gear. Check. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I want to thank you so much for being here because it's upscale all the way with real estate investing. It's still no credit check, no qualifying, no barriers to entry, so you can get in. Why? Because you're going to make a down payment. Then you're going to make monthly payments. And then, upon delivery, an additional 20%. We'll go over all that, but let's check this out. The Oasis with the pool included, open floor plan, and please share the videos. Let them know SSN Lifestyle, SRL is in effect. And also, don't forget the WhatsApp group. If you want to get in touch with me about this property, there'll be a QR code on the screen. Therefore, you can get to the WhatsApp group, and yes, it's a group, but you can ask questions in that group, and I'm in that group as well. So please join the WhatsApp group. That would be greatly appreciated. Ask questions there. You know where to find me. SSN Nation, Lifestyle. It's all together, ladies and gentlemen. So let's go. Let's show you, the new banner at the SSN Nation YouTube podcast channel page. Nice, slick, and sleek. Not much more. You can see it on the screen. And I want to point out it's courtesy of YouTube that shows a few of our members over here on the right-hand side that help the channel financially. I appreciate that support. And if you'd like to become a member of the channel, there's a join button over here on the right-hand side. You are also the only one that can be in the chat room on the Wednesday night live stream like last night. But you're also the only one, when you have a member that has an icon, can join me on any live stream that we do because you get the code to join me on screen. And if you are camera shy, you can always cut off your camera and it'll give you an emoji. And how do you get in? Because under this community tab, they get a link because they have member only videos, member only posts. That's how they get the link. And as a member, if you've been 1 year or more, you need to email me at support@stopstrugglingnow.com to receive your free SSN Nation t-shirt. That's right, I need your sizes, so make sure you send it over. Now, without further ado, let's get into the Oasis de Lujo in Grahaca. 58, okay, it's in Spanish. I'm sorry, we can't do that, right? So, what I'm going to do is let's get to the presentation file, shall we? Look at this, ladies and gentlemen, an open floor plan, SSN Nation approved. So, notice the stairs on the left-hand side goes up. On the right-hand side, you're in your living room area. You can see the dining room area on the far side. And beyond that is outside with the sliding glass doors. Beautiful setup. SSN Nation approved. Look at the outside of this, the architecture. This is, you have a couple of choices. There's two different type of renderings. But once again, if you're interested, That's what you need to do. Contact me down below, make a comment, or send me an email at support@stopstrugglingnow.com. That's another way to do it. Or join the WhatsApp group. It's simple, not that hard. And we'll get into the payment plan. The price, $880,000. 4,700 almost square feet for 880,000. It's not even $200 a square foot. This thing should be selling nearly for $1 million. Look at this design. Look at this architecture from the outside. And then wait till you see the inside with the innovations. Outdoor seating with a full-blown big countertop space. This is awesome for those family functions, to when friends come over, when you have any type of party atmosphere function. Notice the barbecue grill, the bar, the fridge out back, some closet space up top. Isn't that what you want? Right out back with the sliding glass doors. And the pool is included. That's right, for the $880,000, the pool is included. Spectacular, if I say so myself. And of course, Life Smart, electronics all over the place. Security, illumination, lighting, appliances, CCTV, all of it. Audio, that's right, ladies and gentlemen. You know, when you're upscale, you have your audio system outside. I don't know if I showed you my previous house where we had the audio sitting outside as well. So when you're out barbecuing, when you're out there with family and friends and having a little fun, the music is going, everything's nice, it's built in. It's not like you have speakers sitting around on the ground and that kind of thing, so it makes it a much nicer atmosphere. But look at this. Pool, jacuzzi could be included. Jacuzzi's going to be extra, but the pool is included. So that makes this awesome. Now, the full space is 653 square meters, but the interior, 436 square meters, which is 4,693 square feet. Now, look over here on the left. Jacuzzi, pool. Notice a waterfall to make it even nicer. Talk about that is awesome as well. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Talk about the house of houses in Punta Cana Village. Look at the open floor plan on the right-hand side. The dining room area, the living room area, all open concept. Upstairs, you'll see the glass, and that's a walkway. There's 3 bedrooms upstairs, 1 bedroom downstairs. All right, just keep that in mind. This is awesome. And here's the floor plan in itself. On the left-hand side, you will see there's 2 levels. But where we're looking at right now, you can see part of downstairs. You come up the stairs, and lo and behold, there's a loft. This is beautiful, a loft area. Then you have your bedroom 1, bedroom 2, master bedroom or primary bedroom 3. That's how beautiful this is. I mean, it's an understatement in my opinion. This is the design that I always favor. This is the design that gives you much space. So again, that was the first floor, which I actually went ahead with it, but nonetheless, I explained where everything is on the first, and I said it was the second. But here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, third bedroom, and the loft area. I will go back since I skipped. Here's the other bedroom on the first floor. All right. That is beautiful. Another bathroom on the first floor. That is beautiful, right? Open, so you can walk in here. Plus, maid's area. Beautiful. All in here. So, it's actually 5 bedrooms. All total. How is that for nothing but awesomeness? All right. Cochina, number 12. Here's the kitchen, ladies and gentlemen. Right in this area. All right. That's a way to go. I like it. So let's move along, shall we? This is upstairs. They're calling it the family room. I call it the loft. That's either way you want to call it. And then, of course, you've got everybody with their bathrooms, all have en suites. That's pure luxury. And then here's where it would be located within Punta Cana Village, the upscale location that has stores, shops, malls right around the corner, downtowns close by, airports close by. It's a perfect location, quite frankly. And here we are. They're giving you the thing. 4 minutes to the airport, 1 minute to the gallerias, 1 minute to the Punta Cana International School, 4 minutes to Blue Mall, 4 minutes to supermarket, 6 minutes to the beach, 3 minutes to the hospital, 4 minutes. I don't know, Milagros, I don't know where that is. Corrales Golf Course, 12 minutes. Reserva Ecologico, 10 minutes. Punta Cana Polo Club, 10 minutes. Marina Punta Cana, 14 minutes. All nearby. Great location. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. How short and sweet can that be? Now, let's go look back at some things. I want to go look at some pictures while you're here. Let me know what you think of this place. Let me know what you think. Because you saw some pictures, right? You saw a few pictures. I know. That picture right on the one on the right, nice picture. You see the outside. Well, me personally, I want to see a few more pictures. What about you? What about you? I think you guys deserve it. Look at this. Beautiful design. Upstairs, loft area. Here's out back again with a dining table out back. Another sitting bar area with plenty of seating. Another, again, up close dining table. These are all renderings. Of course, you can have this fully furnished. You're going to have to pay for it, though. But, hey, how much is it going to be? Well, you're going to have a great price. That's what I can guarantee. You'll have a great price. You'll be shocked. Look at out back. Isn't this spectacular? This is awesome. I love the design all the way around. And like I said, there's a couple of different renderings. You'll notice that you could have just had that waterfall coming across the top going into the pool if you design the pool on the right-hand side. That would be spectacular as well. I mean, this is great work right here. Look at this. I love how the stairs is off to the right, not in the middle of the room, disrupting everything. It's very open. The kitchen over there. This is a beautiful design, open layout. Right-hand side, beautiful. Back to the loft. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let me know what you guys think. If anybody's interested, once again, the QR code coming to the WhatsApp group, or hit me up at support@stopstrugglingnow.com, or make a comment down below and we'll get in touch that way. And one further thing that we do need to talk about, I do have to put it on the screen, and that is our payment plan. We have to throw that in, don't we? We have to show a payment plan, ladies and gentlemen. Here it is. Here it is. $880,000 includes the pool. 20% down to get into this magnificent property. $176,000 down. Then over the next 14 months, you have to do 50%, which is $440,000. And then 30%, and I thought it was 20, I forgot about it. It's not 30-50, it's 20-50. Then 30% on delivery, which is $264,000 for everybody on podcast. So let's break it down. If you want to reserve this, you need $10,000 right now to lock it in and reserve it. Then in the next 30 days, you need to put up 156,000 more to make it 20% down, will be 166,000. Then over the course of the next 14 months, you need 50%. 50% of $880,000 is $440,000. 14 months, that's, I believe it's around $32,000, $33,000 per month if you do the monthly payment plan. Then, at the end of 14 months, they have the 15th month. You need to come up with the remaining 30%. I'm pretty sure that's negotiable because you have to have title in order to get a loan if you needed a loan. But nonetheless, you're going to have 15 or 16 months to complete the final payment of $264,000. Let me know what you guys think. That seems reasonable for this type of property, and it's real reasonable if you have no credit check, no qualifying, and you can put down the first 70%, and then the price should increase over 15 months, because once this is built, it should be worth more than $200 per square foot. This is crazy, especially with the furnishings. If you get them similar to this is spectacular. Let me know what you think, ladies and gentlemen. I would be anxious to hear. And with all that said, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And I know it's hard out here. And that's why we have to look at buying assets. This is why we have to look at real estate. We have to look at finance. We have to look at ways that you can make money while you sleep. Well, here's one way. When you buy real estate, you make money when you buy it. Who thinks that this will not be worth over $1 million in 2 years or 1 year from now? Raise your hand. Make a comment down below what your prediction will be if we go 1 year from now, how much this project would be worth, this property. And with all that said, keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.